Hey everyone, magandang araw sa inyo. It's been 2 weeks since the last chart of the day and I do apologize. Naging busy lang sa group project. So, dun sa mga bagong tune in lang, I'm a full-time employee and doing trading on the side. Di ako masyadong nakapag-monitor ng port, no? So, ayun, may isang stock na naipit at wala, no choice but pot loss ako kanina. Oh well, that's life. Enough of the chit chat. Today we'll talk about two stocks once again, and they are requested last night. Those are MAC and MBT. Hello everyone, Stock Silog here again with the chart of the day, where we review your requested stock. Dito pag-uusapan natin di lang yung technical aspect, but most importantly, pag-uusapan natin ang fundamentals. At the same time, I'll share kung anong mga guidance ang pwede natin i-apply sa stock. Holder ka man o nag-aabang lang. I have covered MAC a couple of times already sa chart of the day. And of those videos, I have mentioned na medyo bearish ang overall sentiment ng tourism industry in general where MAC is under dahil na rin sa COVID pandemic. At this time, there's a speculation na nag-bottom out na ang negative sentiment and stocks under tourism are now looking for positive news naman with the hopes na ma-reverse yung sentiment into a positive one. Although I'm still quite sure na decline pa rin ang Q2 earnings ng mga to, a lot of analysts have already considered na na-price in na ito from its recent decline. Kanina I posted a story about MAC nung napansin ko na medyo maganda yung kanyang volume for the day. And I asked for your thoughts. Salamat sa mga nag-reply ha, where most of them have told me na it's because of the stock dividend na dineclare kanina. So ano nga ba ang stock dividend and ano yung pwede nating i-expect dito kay Macro Asia in the next couple of months? Based sa disclosure, a 20% property or stock dividend with ex-date na August 11 will be paid out sa mga holders on September 11. So, ibig sabihin kung halimbawa meron kang hawak na let's say 100,000 shares ng MAC on X date, you will be given additional 20,000 shares as your dividend. Don't expect na it's a free stock ha. I do expect that the price to also decline by about 20% to compensate yung ibibigay na dividend. Though rare ang ganitong dividend, it did happen before. In 2008, PX declared a 30% stock dividend. On its declaration, umangat ang price ni PX. But on the X date, which was I think March 4, 2008, nag-normalize agad yung price nito when it declined from umabot to ng 930 peso per share tapos naging 770 na lang. I think ito rin yung possible na mangyari kay MAC as it normalize sa kanyang X date eventually. On the technical side naman ni MAC, we can see na yung stock is doing a sideways or consolidation mode, no? And very recently nga, kung makapansin natin on the weekly chart, nagkaroon ng death cross sa kanya. So, kaya medyo diskumpiyado ako on how the stock will work in the next couple of days. However, if we go back dito sa daily chart, we can see na medyo at least maganda yung conso niya which have started way back noong March pa. And as we know, consolidation is a good indicator na pwedeng mag-reverse na ang isang stock. In terms of the guidelines naman, there are two ways on how to possibly trade si MAC. First is you trade based on the range which is at around 406 hanggang 707. Medyo malaki siya ha. 406 until 707. Or wait out for a potential breakout sa 707 price point. In case meron akong hawak na MAC, most likely I will just wait out and tingnan ko kung ano yung mangyayari. Again, my target price is around 7 pesos and my cut loss price is siguro I would place it at around 5 pesos para lang medyo conservative. Kung nag-aabang naman ako ng price point kay MAC, then siguro I'll wait tomorrow kung ano mangyayari, no? As we can see, itong MA50 has been broken kanina. So, I just wanted to see a confirmation candle for tomorrow to see kung talagang magsusupport itong MA50. And still, the target price is at around 7 pesos. So that's my take about MAC. Now let's move on to the next stock, which is MBT. MBT, or Metropolitan Bank and Trust, is a banking company ng T family. It is a universal bank which provides corporate, commercial, and consumer banking products and services. Kasama na rin dito yung mga credit card, investment banking, and trust banking products. MBT is also the second largest bank in terms of total asset. Just like MAC, na-cover ko na rin si MBT before, where we saw na all's fair value for MBT is at around 63 pesos. Kung ikukumpara siya sa closing price niya kanina at 36 pesos, malaki pa yung upside, which is good. Since nandito na tayo sa chart, then let's talk about some technicals. Just like MAC kanina, we are also seeing MBT on a consolidation. Currently doing a range from 33 pesos up until 40 pesos or roughly around 30% na range ito, no? So medyo malaki. In terms of guideline naman, if meron akong hawak na MBT and nakakuha ako sa medyo mababang presyo, then that's a good start. I will just have to wait na umabot siya siguro ng mga around 42 pesos. And then I will set my target price there. Kung halimbawa namang nag-aabang ako ng magandang presyohan kay MBT, then siguro hihintayin ko na medyo bumaba pa yung presyo nito. Since malapit naman yung 33 pesos na support line niya, then most likely dito ako sa malapit bibili. Give or take mga around 33 hanggang 33.8. That will be a good spot for MBT. Okay? So that's my take on both MBT and MAC. Kung meron kayong mga stock request na gusto nyong reviewin ko, comment nyo lang below or message me directly. And I'll do my best to review them for you. If you think that this video is helpful, please follow our social media accounts. Post ko yung mga links below. That helps us continue to deliver the videos and content for free. That's it. Once again, this is Toxilog. See you on the next video.